Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have what matters: admin access and a working connection. First, confirm your Windows or Mac OS version and pick the 64-bit installer if available. Once done, open your current browser, search for Chrome and click the official download button. This saves time and avoids extras. Make sure to close heavy apps so the download and install run smoothly. Finally, choose Run or Save, then open the installer. Either starts the installation process immediately. You'll be prompted to allow changes. Accept the UAC prompt to continue. Run the installer as administrator to avoid permission hiccups. Installation proceeds faster with minimal prompts. When given folder choices, accept the default unless you need a custom location, because default paths update automatically. Make sure to tick Create Desktop Shortcut and optionally enable Sign In to sync bookmarks and passwords. Once done, Chrome finalizes setup and opens, letting you test a quick page load to confirm success. You now finish by creating or verifying the desktop shortcut. Right-click the Chrome entry in your Start menu and choose Send to Desktop. Next, pin it to the taskbar or Start for instant access, and set Chrome as your default browser in system settings so links open correctly. If something goes wrong, first retry as administrator. If that fails, temporarily disable antivirus or run the installer in compatibility mode, then re-enable protections. Finally, sign in to sync and check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.